Greetings, and welcome back to my channel, where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. So, let me ask you something. Who you think I go get punished the most when Jesus come back to judge the world? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you not do it yet, now the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure say you no miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as scanned to Luke chapter 20 from verse 45 to verse 47. Everybody did a listen when Jesus said to him special follower them, mind yourself with them law teacher ya. Them like walk round in a long jacket and love when people give them special Audi in a market and forget the best seat them in a Jew them church when big dinner a keep. Them rob out the woman them where husband dead and pray long prayer for show off. And them are gonna get punished the most. And God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.